dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if your iPhone Wi-Fi on your iPhone not working, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to open Wi-Fi, and first thing, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't works, so you can also just try to go back, turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general, just tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest update for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And so this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel. And also I forget to tell you about the latest option. Just go to the general, just tap on reset and just try to reset network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.